The total export of India in the financial year 2022 was $418 billion. And now you must be thinking, what kind of products and services does India export? Well, it includes a variety of products and services. As an example, information technology, rice, agricultural products, petroleum products, jewelry, medicine, diamonds, etc. But in the past years, another sector of India is also growing, and it is growing at a fast rate, which is known as the defense sector. In the year 2014, the total defense export of India was 900 to 1200 crores, and now it stands at 13,000 crore rupees. Our defense minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh, also said that this figure will touch 35,000 crore rupees by the year 2025. So what is the future of defense export of India and where it stands now? We will know all about this information in today's video. So guys, watch this video till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and push that bell icon so that you can get the notification of my latest videos. The Indian Armed Forces is considered as one of the most powerful forces in the world, which includes three divisions: the Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. From the time of independence, India has emerged as one of the largest arms importers in the world, accounting for 11% of the total global arms sales. However, from the recent years, India is trying to reduce its dependency on the defense imports and giving more weightage to the defense exports and implementation of the indigenous defense equipments and technology. Now, let's talk about the rise of the defense export of India. In 2020, India got the third place globally in military spending. During 2021, almost 56% of our total defense budget was allocated to the Indian Army, 23% was allocated to the Indian Air Force, 15% was allocated to the Indian Navy and 6% to others. However, with the revolution of the Vocal for Local campaign, we saw a sharp rise in the domestic defense industry of India. Our defense minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh, also promised that the 25% of our whole defense research and development budget will be allocated to the private entities so that they can operate without any kind of financial obstacles. Now, this kind of financial assistance by the government gave the opportunity to the top domestic arms manufacturer of India to join the race. Now, let's talk about the prominent players in the industry. Now, the defense industry of India is broadly classified into two sectors. The first one is public sector, which is completely owned by the government, and the second one is private sector, which involves a lot of domestic arms manufacturers. According to my research, along with the government entities, India have 50 private sector companies who are contributing to the India's defense export. However, the prominent players in the industries are as below: DRDO, Hindustan Aeronautic Limited, Bharat Dynamic Limited, Bharat Electronics Limited, and other automotive companies like Tata, Mahindra, and Ashok Leyland. Now, let's talk about the present condition of the defense export of India. So, basically, right now, India is exporting its defense equipments and technology to more than 75 countries, and it includes various types of missile systems, helicopters, multi-purpose flight transport aircraft, warships, artillery gun systems, petrol vessels, radars, tanks, armed vehicles, digital warfare systems, etc. The demand for the indigenous defense equipments is likely to be driven by the smaller nations due to changing geopolitics. These nations are worried about their safety and security. That's why they are treating India as a strategic partner in order to get low cost and high quality defense equipments and technology. For instance, countries such as Vietnam have shown keen interest in procuring first attack aircraft, advanced light helicopters, and Akash surface-to-air missiles. Along with that, Hall has promoted its LCA Tejas to many Southwest and East Asian countries. And now, let's talk about the future of the defense export of India, which is going to be our final topic. Now, it is obvious from the past trend that the future of the defense export of India looks very impactful as well as very profitable. The government of India is also very ambitious to reach the export target of 36,500 crore rupees by the year 2025. Recently, India also got into a crucial export deal worth rupees 2,707 crore rupees with the Philippines for exporting the BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles. This deal is likely to open doors to India's defense export to various Asian countries such as Indonesia and Vietnam. India is also in talks with some Middle Eastern countries such as the UAE and Saudi Arabia for exporting the BrahMos missiles and Akash air defense missiles. Now, there are a lot of advantages India is enjoying due to this arms export or weapon export, but now I am going to talk about only two important advantages that India is getting right now. So, the number one is India will be able to expand its export territory to a lot of small African and Asian countries, and they will become potential buyers of our defense products. Number two, it will give a boost to our private sector companies as well, because our private sector is playing a crucial role. As within year 2019 and 2020, 85% of our export authorization were given to the private sector companies along with 500 industrial license. So guys, this was my little explained video about the rise of the defense sector of India. So guys, if you like this video and if you like this little effort of mine, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe and share with your friends so that they can get this kind of important information. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and follow me on Insta.